guys. Question 8, Chemistry 2012. If the elements X and Y have atomic numbers 11 and 17 respectively, what type of bond can they form? Option A, we have dative. Option B, covalent. Option C, ionic. Option D, metallic. Please, let's lay foundation to this question. This question is drawn from a topic known as bonding or chemical bonding. Let's look at this bonding critically. Covalent bond is formed between molecules. Ionic bond is formed between a metal and a non-metal. And metallic bond is usually formed in metals. Dative bond, as the case may be, is also known as coordinate covalent bond. This type of bond is a special type of bond that is formed from a result of one participant donating all the electrons to be shared. And in the light of this explanation, let's move quickly to the board and solve the question so that we can understand better. Now, let's go to the board and look at this question critically. The question is saying that you have two elements and they are X and Y. So let's look at those two elements which are X and Y and the information relating to them. So we have element X, and element X atomic number is 11. And then we have element Y. The atomic number of element Y is given to be 17. Now note, this is how you write atomic number. Then the next thing is you are going to find their configuration. Write it down. That's going to be 2, 8, 1. If you don't want to write it like this, you can also write it as in SPDF notation. So that's going to be 1s2, then you have 2s2, then you have 2p6, then you have 3s1. That is 1s2, that's 2 plus 2 plus 6, that's 10, plus 1, that makes 11 atomic number. In this case, you can also do the same. That's 2, 8, 7, or you write it as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, and 3p5. That's going to give us 2 plus 2, that's 4, plus 6, that's 10, plus 2, that's 12, plus 5, that is 17. That's correct for this. So please note that the valence electron of S is 1. And the valence electron means the outermost electron, the last electron. So this is number of shell 3, shell 3. And then you have shell 3 is carrying 2 electrons. Also carrying here is 5 electrons. If you add the 2 up, it means the valence electron is going to be 7, which is what is here. The valence electron of this one is going to be 1. So it means that in order for this one to become octet, which is 8, it has to accept 1 from X. Therefore, which type of bond is that? A bond that is formed between a metal and a non-metal. That bond is known as ionic bond. Why? Why is this bond called ionic bond? Because it's formed between a metal and a non-metal. Which is the metal here? X is the metal. How did I know? For a metal, please note that the valence electron must be less than 4. For a non-metal, the valence electron must be greater than 4 and not equal to 8. So the valence electron of Y here is 7. That is greater than 4. Valence electron of X here is 1. So what happens is, for a metal usually donates electrons, while a non-metal accepts electrons. So this one gives Y 1 electron to become octets. As a result of this explanation, the only bond that can be formed between X and Y is an ionic bond, or you call it electrovalent bond. Please, let's go back to the question and then let's look at the question. So the question is saying which bond is formed. Is it a dative bond? Is it a covalent bond? Is it ionic bond? Or is it metallic bond? The bond formed here is ionic bond. That makes option C the correct option. Thank you.